You've made the decision. You want an OnlyFans account but are unsure how to begin? Say no more. Today we'll be showing you how to open your account in 6 easy-to-follow steps. This isn't just a regular tutorial. We'll be giving you all the best tips and practices for every step of the way that will ensure your OnlyFans profile pops and is looking its best. So going on forward, these are the steps we'll be covering. Okay, first things first. Creating your account. OnlyFans is pretty user-friendly, so let's dive right in. Head over to OnlyFans' official website. Click on the Sign Up button. For starters, enter your full name and email while you're in the process of making an account. After you get verified, you can change it to be like your username or any name you like. Once you've inputted your details, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on it and you're in. Now that your account is set up, let's personalize it. Your username and bio are crucial as they're the first things people see. Your username is a very important step when it comes to creating the account. It becomes your brand and stage name, the name by which your audience will remember you, and that's why it's so important not to rush on this part. When choosing your username, think of these 3 things. Branding from the start. Choose a name that people will remember you across every other platform you open. Make your username relevant to your niche. This gives your potential followers an immediate idea of what your OnlyFans content might be. Don't use generic and spammy usernames like user231 or something not related to your niche. Both of these examples can be misleading and make you look like a low-grade creator or lead people believe you're into something that you're not. If a niche-related username doesn't cross your mind, then you can also use your full name or a unique nickname for your OnlyFans account. Just remember to stick to the same principles. Keep the same username across all your networks. That's the key to making your brand look premium. There are various online tools you can use to check username availability, like Name Checker. If that doesn't cut it, a simple internet search like check if Instagram, Twitter, Reddit name is available will show you the next best online tool you can use. Bio is next. This is the selling point, so make sure to include all the fun stuff you'll be doing on your OnlyFans and why your account stands out from the crowd. People will decide whether to subscribe based on this information, so try your best to convince them to take the plunge. Also, don't forget to add something personal about yourself. Share a bit about your likes, interests, passions, and if you have a broader mission. We're all humans, not a restaurant menu, and adding a human element to the story creates connection. The intro section of your bio holds significant weight because that's the first thing mobile users see before tapping the See More button. Aim to craft it in such a way that it tempts the viewer to continue reading. Many creators give freebies to hook the potential subscriber. The structure should look like this. When crafting your bio, try to include an SEO content. This means including specific keywords into your text so people or search engines can locate them and display your content to those who are searching for it. Visit our blog, link in the bio, where we've explained this in more detail with real-life examples and things you can steal for your own profile. Setting your location, website, and Amazon wishlist. First, set your location. This gives potential subscribers a sense of connection, especially those from the same area. Some creators use this feature to add fun and catchy locations like in your room, on your face, or in your heart. People often share their Linktree links or something like that here. But if you have something special that you want to share with your fans, this is the perfect place to do it. Got an Amazon wish list? Link it. It's an indirect way for fans to support you by gifting you items you've had your eyes on. It's a good idea to structure the wish list with a 60-40 split, where 60% of the items are related to your OnlyFans business, like outfits, lingerie, toys, etc. And the remaining 40% consists of things you genuinely need in your daily life. This way, you can keep both yourself and your fans happy. Amazon wishlists can be a way to generate income on OnlyFans as well, but more on that in a different video. Next, you choose your cover and profile pictures. Your profile picture and cover photo are super important, so don't skimp on these. Let's start with the profile pic. Although OnlyFans doesn't specify the dimensions, going for a 1.1 ratio like 1500 by 1500 should work just fine. Make sure your profile pic is high quality and shows a close-up of yourself. Use bright, well-lit photos and stay away from blurry or too dark pics, please. You can choose to feature your face or a favorite body part, but we'd recommend going with the face. It's what people usually connect with. Next up, cover photo, banner. Here's your chance to let your imagination run wild. Cover photos have dimensions of 1168 x 204 pixels. Since most people browse the internet on their smartphones, be mindful of the mobile save zones. You could post something unique about yourself, like a picture of your key body part, or a collage featuring 3 or more photos that represent the things you love and offer to your fans. Alternatively, you might want to feature your favorite activity or even a spicy chat screenshot with a fan or someone special. Whatever you do, don't post explicit photos on both your banner and profile picture. It's not allowed by OnlyFans, but do keep them tempting, sexy, and thirst-trappy. All right, on to the 5th step, which is setting up your banking details. Grab your mobile device and let's get started. From your home screen, click on More and then tap on Become a Creator. This will bring you to the next screen. Now, it's time to pick your country of legal residence, or the country where you have the required documents. Just a quick reminder, to sign up as a creator on OnlyFans, you must be 18 years or older. Note, not every country might be listed here, so ensure your country is available. We have a complete list of countries you can sign up as a creator down in the description, so make sure you check that out. After selecting your country, you'll find some important information to read. It's all about your consent for facial recognition and OnlyFans verifying your details. Take your time reading through. If all sounds good, go ahead and click I agree. Following that, it's time to upload some ID verification, like your driver's license, passport, or ID. And don't forget to take a live selfie. OnlyFans will then process this info. OnlyFans will need about 24 to 48 hours to review your application. If you get approved, you're all set. All right, on to the banking details. This is where OnlyFans will send your earnings. Different countries have various payout options. Whether it's a bank transfer via ACH, Swift, Visa Direct, or e-wallets like Paxum, pick what suits you best. And here's something to remember. OnlyFans will take a 20% cut. So, if you earn $100, you'll actually receive $80. If you need more information, OnlyFans has a detailed FAQ section to guide you. And if you're from a country that's not supported, don't lose hope. If you have residency in another country, you can still sign up using those documents. Now, with the technical stuff out of the way, let's get into the fun part, setting up your subscription rates. Navigate from your home screen to More, then Settings, and finally, Subscription Price and Bundles. Here you'll face a decision. Do you want a paid account or a free one? Let's break down the difference. With a paid account, only your subscribers can access your content, and you set the monthly price. However, with a free account, anyone can see your posts. The twist? You can charge for individual content pieces. Starting out on OnlyFans can be a little confusing, especially when setting your subscription price. As a beginner, we suggest keeping it below $10. As you grow, you can adjust accordingly. The cool thing about OnlyFans is its flexibility. You can tease content by blurring out certain parts or locking them entirely. This is known as pay-per-view or PPV content. Want a unique strategy? Consider having 2 accounts, one free and one paid. This way, you can experiment and find what's best for you. Lastly, OnlyFans offers promotions and bundles, helping you retain and attract subscribers. After all, it's all about engagement and ensuring your fans stick around for more. All right, with all those steps covered, you're not just an OnlyFans user, you're a potential OnlyFans superstar. Dive in, explore, and most importantly, have fun creating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.